Welcome to my video. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ jẹ́ kí ìṣàlùmọ̀ àlàyé kan fún yín nípa bá a ṣe máa ń tan fóònù láì lo bátìrì. Nínú explanation yìí, ọ̀nà méjì ni mo fẹ́ gbà ṣàlàyé fún yín. Ọ̀nà àkọ́kọ́ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè tan fóònù with DC supply láì damage phone, even tí ẹ bá mọ range ẹ̀. Another way tẹ́ fi lè gbà tan phone láì lo DC supply àti láì lo that same battery ti fóònù yẹn. Ṣé wọ́n pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà ni battery phone máa ń bàjẹ́, tẹ̀dẹ̀ máa need láti ṣe láì ra battery, tẹ̀ máa ní láti tan phone yẹn. The only way tẹ́ fi lè ṣe òun ni kẹ́ lo DC supply. Tẹ́ bá lo DC supply, ẹ lè tan phone yẹn. But the most common method tá máa ń gbà lo DC supply ni jumping method. A máa wá VBAT line. VBAT line simply means voltage battery. That is the positive leg. We will find the positive leg. Then we will now look for the alligator clip of DC supply. We'll add it. Then we take the negative to the ground. Now, as it is like this, there is a full supply on this PCB at the moment. It depends on what I set my multimeter, my DC supply to give, that will be here. Assuming I set it to be around 5 volts, it's going to give this PCB 5 volts. Now, for you to be able to use DC supply, you must be an expert. In order for you not to damage phone, especially if you are looking for shorts or you want to short a particular section, it's very dangerous. That's why we gbọ́dọ̀ mọ nǹkan tí ò ń ṣe dáadáa kó tó lè lo DC supply. But now, to be on a safer side as a novice tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń kọ́ iṣẹ́ tàbí tó ti mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ tí ò fẹ́ kí phone máa bàjẹ́ through the use of DC supply, because even gan phone voltage to man power phone is not stable, is always in range. Anything from 3.8, at times 3.5 can power phone, depending on the phone power consumption rate. 3.5 can power phone, 3.6